Our police department has well-kept records on the crime that goes on around an unoccupied house. It's easy to hide stolen goods. These homes are used for sleeping purposes by people traveling from one community to another. So this has been an unnecessary problem to the police department, and also it has presented a problem to our firefighters, and all of this results in a unneeded expense upon the city government.
What do you propose could be done about it? Would you hire an extra person in any department for this?
Right. My proposal, which will be taken up at council Monday, calls for the hiring of an additional employee in the building commissioner's office. And it would be his responsibility to develop a program on a year-round basis to remove these unoccupied and unlivable homes on a year-round basis.
Someone, a property owner,